Elsa. Y somos de la La Dor es la mejor. Y hoy vamos a ayudar a la tía Margarita y Miss Susana.
¡Ay, sí! ¡Me gusta!
Así que vamos con ellas ahora.
¡A cantar!
Hello, students. How are you today? I hope that great. Today, we will learn the song Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. So, the pronunciation of the sentences are the next. First, don't worry. This one is worry. Don't worry. About a thing. Thing. Look at my tongue. Thing. Thing. This is important to explain you in Spanish. Cause es la abreviación de because. Okay, so cause every little thing. Otra vez con la lengua. Thing. This one is gonna be all right. Esta es la abreviación de going to be. Va a estar todo bien. Gonna be all right. Singing, don't worry. And then the same, about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be all right. Singing, don't worry. Rise up this morning. Rise up this morning. Smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of, with the teeth here, of, no of, is of melodies pure and true, pure and true. Saying, esta es la abreviación de saying. Last, this is my message to you. Now, Tia Margarita is there. Look at her.